Liam has never liked reading since he was a child, so he ended up working in a factory, drilling screws. Because of his excellent performance on the assembly line, the factory leaders decided to reward Liam with a house. But this house is only 2.5 square meters and can't even fit a normal bed. Now let's see how I can help him turn it into a functional home. Put ceramic tiles of the same color on the wall to prevent moisture. Build cabinets against the wall to make eating at home healthier. Embed a washing machine below so clothes can be worn directly after washing and drying. Place a toilet next to it for hygiene, and have the shower area next to that so Liam can take a bath at home. Above the toilet, install shelves for toiletries and an electric towel rack to keep towels dry and comfortable. Add a folding table next to it for Liam's dining area. It even saves money for the chair and doesn't take up space when folded away. Above the kitchen, install a cabinet for all his daily items. Place a wardrobe next to it on the right for his clothes and shoes, and use the left side for all his books. Weld a bed frame from galvanized square steel. Borrow a hammer from his second aunt to knock on the wall and extend the frame outside the wall. Cover it with environmentally friendly wood veneer for durability. Borrow a mattress from his aunt's house to use as a bed. This turns into a 1.5-meter large bed, enough space for Liam and his girlfriend to sleep comfortably. Add soft padding around the walls for extra comfort. Make a low cabinet next to it to store all their daily items. Whitewash the walls for a fresher look. Install a wardrobe against the wall to hang Liam's clothes casually. Put a projector on top to create Liam's small cinema. Open the secret room cover to find the space downstairs. The room is small but very functional, with living and seating areas. Living here, Liam will never want to go out again.